Hi, this is the AC Prac assignment. So first off, we'll talk about task 1, where we can show that we're getting the DC voltage out and there's a ripple that is less than 2 volts, as shown here. So the circuit works by taking the AC voltage in first, and it flows into the diode, where it only allows a positive voltage coming through. It then splits off into the parallel part, where we have the load, or the 100 ohm resistor, and we have the capacitor. So the 100 ohm resistor, that's just how we measure the voltage. We measure that in parallel with the resistor to get the oscilloscope showing. But the capacitor has the ability to smooth out the voltage given. So if we didn't have the capacitor here, we would be getting a half wave shown, but the capacitor smooths it out. So we just get the peaks and drops. For task 2, we have the inverting op amp. So we have an input voltage of 8 volts and we are getting a negative 5 volt output. The circuit pretty much works as we're inputting 15 volts in. So we've got 15 volts in one side and negative 15 on the other. And the LI in is 8 volts. So the op amp for the inverting op amp, we're pretty much changing the input signal by 180, which takes it from the 8 to negative, and then the resistors get it from negative 8 down to 5 volts. And the final one we got is the non-inverting op amp. This pretty much takes the input voltage and directly affects the output voltage without changing it. And then we use these resistors once more than the other to get us a gain. So we gain by half, so pretty much because we've got a 1K and a 0.5K, we're pretty much adding on half of the input voltage onto the output voltage. And once again, we're powering it by two 15s, a positive and a negative 15 into the op amp. We got the resistors, one set to ground, other one connected to the output, and yeah, just the main powering one. So thank you, this is my AC Prac.